We got on scout mode and forward mode. Gotcha. Pretty big, bro. Holy shit.
Damn. Wait, that one's pretty big.
Oh, damn, it's on, it's on.
Can you use this one? You got that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Damn, big one, bro. Oh, damn. Oh. Woo! That's probably good size. Good size. You guys see fish on the live scope or no? Huh? I wish that dude was still here to witness it. He would be pissed off. Just so you remember, this is the spot you caught that salmon, right?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it is, huh?
Ooh, there's a big one, man. Get your hand. Hurry up. Ooh, there's a big one, bro. Ooh, damn. That's probably the biggest one we got. Take a picture real quick.
In the pocket, bottom pocket.
Gotcha. Oh, actually, no. It's better if I take a picture this way. Even choke that shit. If you ain't gonna get it out, just rip that shit, bro.
Shit.
You're on?
Yep.
God damn.
Oh, damn, I almost broke my hand. Oh, pretty big, bro. Oh, damn. Oh. Oh, come on, Dutcher. Woo.
That shit jumped onto the fucking net.
One of them have a hook in their mouth.
Look at that shit.
Can't get out.
Probably a 3-pounder.
Don't hinge it.
Come on. It's pretty small. It's not that big.
Oh shit, God.
Oh, shit. Probably like a 10-inch. Man. pretty big, dude.
Oh yeah, his kid is following him.
That's big, dude.
He looks smaller in the water. You're good. Get the back.
Weigh it. Jetson. Wanna weigh it?
Yeah, that shit looks smaller in the water. That shit's pretty big.
That's gotta be a 3 something. Close to 4 maybe.
Got one.
That line held up.
Pretty big.
Yeah.
A little smaller than yours.
Damn, that line held up.
Yeah.
Well, we trust that line.
Okay, you're good to the front. That's all that. That's all that is.
Grab the net, Jetson.
Yeah. These are some big bass, bro.
Not too bad.
Fish on?
Is it?
I can't tell.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah. They didn't even pull anything.
Oh,
Yeah,
but you
it's
got
on.
that.
It's probably a small one though.
It's probably just a log. Sick. Oh, there is. What the fuck? You got that.
He's kind of big. All right size.
And they can throw it out.
I'm gonna run it.
Dude, shit, fucking, it was going fast. I said, what the?
You got that shot.
It's big, bro.
No, yeah. Oh, yeah.
It's huge.
That shit's huge.
I think that's the one that we've seen.
Yeah, probably. It's a big one. I don't know how big, but it's pretty big. Oh shit.
That's
Feels like a striper. Oh man. Oh, don't come off, man. Oh.
Yeah, that's big. Oh shit.
Oh,
That's a catfish.
oh it's a catfish?
Yeah, it's a catfish. That's big.
Oh.
It's a big ass catfish.
Oh.
Yeah, bad following it too.
Oh. That was a fucking bad, dude. That shit was fucking ugly as fuck. Oh shit.
Barely hooked.
dude. Uncle.
I'm scared of that shit. You wanna take it off?
Don't lip that shit. That shit will fucking cut your hand off.
Yeah.
Dude, that's a huge catfish.
For real.
No, that's actually fucking huge.
Wait, Jetson.
Barely came. Look at that.
Wait.
Oh, I've never seen
Just put it in.
this big of a catfish.
Wait and then put it in. I think grandma and then will take it.
Oh.
Hey, don't get stung by the thing.
Yeah, you almost.
Yeah. Yeah, hook it on.
Oh, Uncle's on. Oh, you on? Oh, no.
think you got your
I
breath.
bet that's probably like a. Damn. Oh shit. Oh shit. Fucking A. Hey, calm down, bro.
He's a buyer.
Oh no, I got it. That line was fucking going whole fast.
No, that shit was going hella fast.
It didn't look normal.
Okay.
This can't be right.
What?
Oh, oh. There you go. What is it? 5.11.
511?
Sure it is.
I'm trying to find the bass.
This one, this your bolt?
Yeah. Are you on?
Yeah.
Oh shit, Uncle, he's on. Oh, you're on too? Fuck.
Oh. Real sucks, real.
Another bad ball in.
It is. Yeah.
Fucking strawberry too. God damn it.
You can throw it.
Yeah, bass straight down where you put where you had your jig at.
Really?
Yeah. No, go to the left more.
To the left?
By like 3 feet to the left.
This way?
Yeah. Right there, then until you when.
Can't really see him.
Jig it towards you. Yeah. I think he's going to it. Yeah, he's going to it. He's looking at it. It's right there too.
Dude, the bass are right here.
That's still a small one now.
Feel the rhythm, feel the beat. Hearts collide when our eyes meet. Turn it up, let's lose control. Together we ignite the soul. Dancing hearts under the night. Moving together feels so right. Spin me round, hold me tight. Love's in the groove, shining bright. Lights are flashing, music high. We're the sparks beneath the sky. Step by step, we're burning free. Loving you comes naturally. Dancing hearts under the night. Moving together feels so right. Spin me round, hold me tight. Love's in the groove, shining bright. Dancing hearts under the night. Moving together feels so right. Oh yeah. Spin me round, hold me tight. Love's in the groove, shining bright. Dancing hearts under the night. Moving together feels so right. Spin me round, hold me tight. Love's in the groove, shining bright.